Hello people, I wanted to talk about how to parent objects, because you can parent objects in Softimage. I already parented. You don't have to use groups in this case. I wanted to show you by using this example what we need for separate windows. If you click this, Explorer seeing current path and seeing route, because we have bench, what I would like to call this different name, bench 3 base, bench base 3, and we will connect. You have to know where this bench belongs to. This belongs to this, so you will be able to navigate quickly. And we will select together. If you want to have objects to be highlighted in real time, you have to use option track selection. Okay. I will now scroll my mouse button. I will have to quickly check. Oh, we have bench base, and by left mouse button I will drag to bench base 3. Now when I move this, you can see this has been parented already. I will try to copy objects, but I will save my scene, because I need to check if there aren't any errors. Control D. It is, unfortunately, for some reasons, it's no longer connected. Unfortunately. But you can still connect objects. Okay, I think this is below. I'm happy because this is below those two objects. Now we can move next to the wall our object. But it is a lot better if you have two separate windows, because you can drag by left mouse button and it works better. For me it works much better. But I'm a little bit sad that if I copy new objects are no longer parented, but you can always parent objects manually. I hope you like my video tutorial. This is my third video tutorial which I published today.